These churro waffles taste just as good as normal churros without the unhealthy frying in oil. To start, let's make the cinnamon sugar. Add a quarter cup of caster sugar to a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix this well and leave aside. Now let's make the chocolate sauce. To make the chocolate sauce, take half a cup of fresh cream and warm it in the microwave. Then add half a cup of chocolate to a bowl and melt this separately in the microwave as well. Then add the melted chocolate to the bowl of warmed fresh cream. Mix together and leave aside. This will thicken as it cools. Now let's start with our churro waffle batter. Take 2 tablespoons of butter and place this in a pot on low heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a 3/4 cup of full cream milk. Stir until the butter melts without boiling it. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Keep stirring and then add 1 cup of flour and mix quickly. And the reason we do this is to avoid it from burning because it tends to clump up quickly. Remove from the stove, transfer into a bowl and allow to cool. Once cooled, add in 2 eggs, one at a time. After adding the second egg, the batter will start to become a little lumpy. This is when you can start using an electric beater to get a smoother batter. It's always a good idea to preheat the waffle maker before you start. Once the waffle maker is ready, add 1 cooking spoon of the batter at a time onto the waffle maker. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before opening, as this will ensure the crispy outer layer and the soft inner layer. Dip each waffle after it has been cooked in the cinnamon sugar mix and place in an airtight container. This is best served warm with the chocolate syrup, or you could add toppings of your choice. I certainly hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the recipe. Until the next vlog, happy cooking and thanks for watching.